So far this spring, my fishing time has been pretty limited. Getting the chance to go out every once in a while due to the rain and then just life, it hasn't been ideal compared to years past. However, when you do get a chance to go and the days just kind of line up, the weather works out, it can make for a pretty interesting day on the water. The night before, I was looking at Google Earth and I was looking for areas that hold a lot of submerged vegetation. What this does is it cleans up the water, filters out a lot of the dirt and stuff that's found in a lot of these marshes with muddy bottoms. Cleaning up the water definitely helps in sighting redfish and sight fishing for them. And that's kind of what I look for when I'm scouting a new area via Google Earth.